my sweet friends. In my last video, we talked about the PACT method of goal setting, where we talked about creating micro habits to support a goal. Today, I want to talk about a different framework that helps people to grow intentionally. It's called the DPAR cycle, DPAR. This stands for Discover, Plan, Act, and Reflect or Review. Discover is the first phase. Discover is where we notice patterns. We're not trying to change our whole lives. We're just trying to notice the flow that our lives are going through. These types of patterns could be anything that you're seeing in your life right now. They could indicate, are you feeling stuck? Are you seeing an opportunity for growth and want to try to find a way to take advantage of that? Sometimes it's just noticing the way that life flows. I am recording this on a Thursday night, and for most of the world, that doesn't make any difference. But in my life right now, I've noticed that this is a very peaceful time of the week, and I've missed getting back with you guys. So I am excited to use this moment of peace to share another way to grow. Discovery helps you identify the direction you should be going before you start moving. This is where a lot of people get stuck, because knowing something about yourself is one thing, turning it into a plan is something entirely different. So the next step is to plan. This is where we turn the insight that we got from discovery into small intentional experiments. One of the biggest mistakes that people make with this goal method is trying to change everything all at once. Instead of asking, how do I fix my whole life? We ask, what small step do I need to take to move forward? If you only remember one thing about the planning step, let it be this. It needs to be specific, small enough to succeed, and you need to prepare for obstacles. So if you notice the pattern where you're not communicating very well in your marriage, you would create a plan that might look like 3 nights a week. I will ask you to intentionally tell me about their day, or another intentional question to engage conversation. And I will listen without distractions. I'm going to put my phone down and I'm going to listen to what they say. This is clear, it's measurable, it's realistic. A strong plan assumes that life gets messy. If my plan is to ask a question 3 times a week, but I know that there's going to be some days that we might not see each other, or we're not going to have time to intentionally discuss with each other, then I might make an adjustment for those days. Instead of communicating face to face, maybe it's okay that we text that one day or FaceTime. Planning turns discovery into the next practical step. Now I've got my plan, I know what I want to do, and I've prepared for obstacles. It's time to act. Acting is simply putting the plan into motion. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't, and that's fine, because either way, you've done it. Instead of judging yourself on how well it worked, just think about it as data collection. You're simply gathering information. This worked really well, this didn't. And that leads into the final step, which is review. What you're doing is you're reviewing what happened. Did it work? Did it not? Did you plan for everything? Review is where we asked, did it work? What didn't work? What did I learn about myself? Many people skip this step because once you've acted, what else is there to do? But reviewing is where we see the hidden wisdom inside the experience. Review turns effort into insight. Maybe your plan worked beautifully, and great, now you can build on it. Maybe it didn't work at all, and that's okay. It's not a failure, it's valuable feedback, because every time you review something, it leads you back into the next step, discovery. This is where the cycle starts again. This is why the DPAR method works so great for long-term goal setting, because it's not one huge goal, it's a series of small refinements. The reason the DPAR method works is simple. It removes the pressure to be perfect, and it replaces it with the freedom to keep learning. Growth is not a straight line, it's a cycle. You discover, you plan, you act, you review, and you discover something from what you've reviewed. Every time you go through the loop, you come out a little bit wiser and a little bit more intentional. Before we go, try the first step with DPAR with me. What's something in your life right now that deserves a closer look? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're discovering, because the goal isn't just to achieve more, it's becoming the kind of person that grows on purpose. So if you found this interesting or valuable, give me a like, subscribe for more content. Good night, sweet friends.